In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin filters on this BMW X5. These are going to be located underneath the cowl on the passenger side. Let's get into it. I'm going to remove this cover, use a 13mm socket. And these are wing nuts. You just twist them to the left, just to 90 degrees, just to loosen those up. They're not going to come out. They're just going to stay with the panel. Grab the panel, pull it up, and slide it out. Now we're going to take this air box out, use the 13mm socket and the same style wing nuts. Twist these to the left. There's one down there, one in here, one back here. And then there's also a connector right here. I'm going to disconnect that connector. It's for an air temp sensor. Grab the housing. Slide it out. Now grab the filter. There's some tabs right here and here. Push those tabs in. Same with the back. Pop the old filter out. Take the new one, line it up. Lock it in place. And do the same with this one. Clipped in. Now you can reinstall this in the vehicle. Take this piece, slide it in its place. Take the connector, connect the connector, lock that down, secure the wing nuts, just spin them 90 degrees to the right. Same with this one, that's good. Now this cover, slide that in place. Lined up, and secure these down. Just twist to the right. There you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.